In this video, I'm going to be sharing exactly how much YouTube pays me for every video that crosses 1,000 views on my channel. For those of you that keep advising me, niche down, that video that gave you 1,000 views, keep repeating it, keep doing it. I'm going to be showing you exactly how much YouTube paid me for that video. And for those of you that keep begging me money, thinking I have made money because I have 6,000 subscribers here, please stay tuned. Let's go through my analytics and see how much YouTube pays me for every video that crosses at least 1,000 views, and then we do the math together. So you want to be a YouTube creator, you want to be big on this platform, then let's see how much YouTube pays for 1,000 views. Then you can use that to like plus and minus, calculate and check and balance how much you could likely make on this platform. See, I'm wearing this because I am serious today. Many people have insulted me too much. They keep saying you are on YouTube, you are making money, you are doing this one. So today I'm going to be sharing my analytics for every video that has crossed 1,000 views on my channel. We're going to see how much YouTube paid me for that particular video and for a period of time. I'm trying to use my laptop to do this, but I don't think this is going to work. So we're just going to screen record our main YouTube studio. So this is what my YouTube studio looks like on my phone, and this is what we are going to be using to this analytics. So I'll just zoom it in a little. I went to starting with this video I made about 8 days ago, which got over 1.8k view. What no one tells you about YouTube monetization. Here we got about 27,000 impression, and impression click-through rate was 5.7, and this video got about 1.8 thousand views. And here is how viewers found this video. I'm just going to skip all the details and go straight to how much YouTube actually paid me for this particular video. So let's swipe to revenue, and bam, this is how much YouTube paid me for 1,800,000 views. The CPM for this video is $2.77, and the revenue per 1,000 views is $1.06. I noticed that sometimes the first 24 hours after posting every video, the revenue per 1,000 views is always higher. Let me show you the 24 hours of this video. So the revenue for 1k view for the first 24 hours was $4.32, but I only got 91 views then. And then after 7 days, it dropped to $1.06. Let's check out another video that got 1,000 views. This video, I got about 1.1k view. So let's go straight to how much it made for me. I'm just going to go straight to revenue and click on it and check out the amount. So we're just going straight to revenue, $2.70. That is how much this video made for me. And advertisers were willing to pay $7.14 for this video, and YouTube paid me 2.31 cents. Let's check out two more videos that crossed 1k view. So this one had 2.9k view, and let's just go straight to how much it made. Okay, this video made $8.96. Wow, in its lifetime. And 1k view, we made $3.08 times 2.9k. Advertisers were willing to pay $9.08. In the first 24 hours, this video got about no data for that, but in the first 7 days it got about $16.67 for 1k view, but I only got 6 views in that 1 week. So you see the struggle of being a small YouTuber. If I got a rush on that video that day, maybe my 1k view would have been $16.67, but I only got paid 0.10 cents, and in the next 28 days it was dropped to $13.44. the next 90 days it was dropped to $5.74, and in the last 1 year it's dropped to $3.08. So that is it for this video. Let's check out one more video that crossed 1k view. Okay, this one I got about 1.3k view for this video. Let's check the analytics and go straight to the dollars. Here we have the dollars. Okay, this video made 1.3k and it paid me $2.32. And for every 1k views, the video made $1.78. And advertisers were willing to pay 6.01, and YouTube paid me $1.78 per 1k view. Let's see how much YouTube was going to pay me if this video got 1,000 views in its first 24 hours. So for the first 24 hours of this video, YouTube was going to pay me $1.50 if I had made 1,000 views, but I only made 2 views, and in 7 days it was willing to pay $4 and only 20 views. So that is it for small YouTubers. It is not always a roller coaster. Don't forget to give me your own experience in the comment section. Don't forget to just connect in the comment section. That's the end of this video today. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're planning to put in more effort. Giving up is not the main reason for making this video. Making this video is to motivate you to do your best. Don't forget to be motivated. Don't forget to keep pushing. One day you will get that one viral video that will put you on the spot.